How to connect Bose Bass Module 700 to Soundbar. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Bose Bass Module 700 to your Bose Soundbar. Whether you prefer a wireless setup for a clean look or a wired connection for stability, I'll guide you through both methods step by step. Let's get started. Wireless connection using the Bose app. Let's begin with the wireless connection using the Bose Music app. Step 1. Power on devices. Ensure both your soundbar and bass module are plugged into power outlets and turn it on. Step 2. Download and open the Bose Music app. On your mobile device, download the Bose Music app from your App Store and open it. Step 3. Add your soundbar. If you haven't already, add your Bose Soundbar 700 to the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Access settings. In the app, select your soundbar, then tap on the settings icon. Step 5. Add bass module. Scroll down and select accessory speakers or add Bose accessory. Then choose bass module. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Make sure your bass module is in pairing mode. The status light on the back should be blinking amber. Step 7. Confirm connection. Once connected, the status light on the bass module will glow solid white, indicating a successful connection. And that's it. Your bass module is now wirelessly connected to your soundbar. If you prefer a wired connection or encounter issues with the wireless setup, here's how to connect using a cable. 1. Connect to the bass module. Insert one end of the cable into the bass connector on the back of the bass module. 2. Connect it to soundbar. Insert the other end into the bass connector on the back of the soundbar. After that, ensure both devices are powered on. And that's how you connect your Bose Bass Module 700 to your Bose soundbar, both wirelessly and with a wired connection. Enjoy the enhanced bass experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks.